Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to make another video for you real quick. I missed a couple places where there's some sales going on yesterday, so let's take a real quick look at that. If you didn't see the video I made for Black Friday deals yesterday, I'll leave a link up in the corner. Go check that out. Alright, so we're looking at Virtual Fly. Virtual Fly, I saw somewhere had some sales, and I have some of their stuff. So these look like some they're decent deals. So this is early Black Friday. 10% off plus 2 extra percent per product, up to 4 products. So they've got some of their products that are bundled in here, and these guys make really good stuff. Their stuff does not come cheap. You can put together some really nice twin engine aircraft, general aviation aircraft. Half of this stuff I don't even know honestly what aircraft some of this stuff would go in, but you know, if you get a let's see if I can figure out avionics flight controls here. So if you go up to the top and then hit the flight controls, you can get a Yoko Plus, which is what I have, for 10% off. These are still it's still pretty pricey. I don't know why it doesn't have, oh, it says from $11.95. So this is going to be kind of pricey, but they still make really nice stuff. The Yoko Neo, this is a really nice leather wrapped yoke there. The Ruddo Plus over here. The Vernio Plus over here, 10% off. Really good stuff. Plus they got the bundles. They've got avionics. Definitely go check some of this stuff out and just see, you know, if there's something that might fit your needs and what you're getting. So the more you get, the more you're going to save as well. Now, I was looking at X-Plane thinking maybe they've got some software on sale, and I really couldn't find anything that was, you know, super great, super awesome, but I think they might still have something coming. So keep an eye on these guys. If you do go to xplane.org, just click on the org store, store.xplane.org. So it's store.x-plane.org. You can come in here. It'll give you some ideas. Some of this stuff is on sale, but it may or may not. I don't think it's necessarily a Black Friday deal, but there are things here that are on sale. You can click on specials. You know, they got some aircraft, some utilities right now are on sale. Not bad stuff. So you get a pretty good deal on this. Hawaii Flight Adventure Travel Diary and Flight Plan for $1. So definitely check that out. Oh, the CH Eclipse Yoke is $119. That's a pretty good sale right there. All right, yeah. Definitely some stuff there. Definitely come through and see what might be interesting to you. All right, I'll leave it at that. Definitely go check out that other one that I built or that I put together yesterday. Lots of great sales on Amazon, Flight Sim Builder, Flight Velocity. Real Sim Gear's got a lot of stuff going on. A lot of great options there. So I will catch up with you if I find any other sales for you. Okay, see you.